Myself, Dr. M.K. Panda, consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist at Aditya Birla Hospital. Also, I am a liver transplant coordinator. Today on this World Hepatitis Day, we have to make an awareness about the hepatitis. What do you mean by hepatitis? It is looks like in a lay term, it is inflammation or swelling of the liver. Hepatitis is a common term, but you should figure out what is the cause of the swelling of the liver. The most three important causes in India, if you think for hepatitis, one is the alcohol, second is the fatty liver, and third is the viral infections. Alcohol is the most common cause of swelling of the liver. Apart from that, those who are diabetes, those who are obese, those who have altered lifestyle, they develop some of fatty liver disease, which goes into form of hepatitis. The third form of hepatitis is a viral hepatitis. This is mainly due to two causes. One is the waterborne infection and another is the bloodborne infection. Waterborne infection occurs where hepatitis is due to hepatitis A and hepatitis E, which resolve spontaneously. But what we focus in world or in our preview on hepatitis is the viral hepatitis, which is silent in your body. That is, that you do not know you have hepatitis inside in your body, but you have features of hepatitis. That occurs due to two common causes. One is the hepatitis B and another is the hepatitis C. These are in the worldwide two most common cause of hepatitis, where it is silently affect the liver and slowly the patient develop liver damage unknowing that he had hepatitis inside the body. So unless do a routine lab investigation or a screening protocol or any health checkup, you cannot detect this type of viral hepatitis. So nowadays we have almost all patients who are advised to do a hepatitis B and hepatitis C testing at a general health checkup or a health screening camp. So once you have hepatitis B or hepatitis C, then you have to consult a gastroenterologist. Once you know that there is a viral hepatitis due to hepatitis B and C, you can consult a gastroenterologist or any liver specialist because there are specific treatment available. Now, previously there is no definite treatment available for hepatitis C, but now hepatitis C is completely curable with the medical management or with the drugs. There is a myth that hepatitis B is also not curable, no medicines are available, but that is totally myth. Hepatitis B, if you detect early and you treat properly, these patients also can be cured and prevent further development of liver disease or liver cirrhosis. So my last view on this World Hepatitis Day, one thing is important, you should know that what is your status of liver. So do one health checkup, at least do a liver function test to detect early hepatitis. If there is some cause of hepatitis which can be preventable, like alcohol and lifestyle modification, these are all modifiable factors which can prevent further liver disease. And those who are non-modifiable, like those who have hepatitis B or hepatitis C infections, these patients should undergo a routine health checkup and screening for liver function test and liver ultrasound and do a specific treatment on this particular patients. And so that in the future we can prevent hepatitis B and hepatitis C in our country. And like an epidemiological survey, now the incidence of hepatitis C is completely decreasing, where if we increase the awareness of the hepatitis B also, in our next generation, we can reduce the incidence of hepatitis B and complications of viral hepatitis. Thank you so much. Edit करके